Hi, it's the Lipstick Gal. Thank you so much for watching today. I'm unboxing my Beautylish Lucky Bag. If you're unfamiliar with the idea of a lucky bag, it is a mystery bag, well, box, full of kind of bonus items. You don't know what you're getting. I paid $150. It was a little bit more than that after tax and shipping, but they're promising $300 or more worth of product inside here. So let's take a look at what's going on. I haven't cracked it. It just arrived. I am so excited. All right. I always keep like these little tweezers. I don't use them for anything else, but to cut the tape, wait. This is not taped. You can just open the box. There is literally no tape sealing it anywhere. Oh, I hope it's all in here. I hope somebody didn't already get into it or that it's broken. Beautylish. Okay, so I'm a little worried, but look how cute it is. All right, let me tip it out. I'll get rid of all the extra packaging and we'll see what's in here. I always love the paper that they wrap this in. Look how cute it is. Oh, it's adorable. And the little note that comes with it, let me read it to you. It says, now more than ever, we want to celebrate community and connection. This year's Lucky Bag design is dedicated to you, our global community. We hope the surprises inside serve as a reminder that we're all in this together. Hashtag Lucky Bag 2023, hashtag Beautylish. Okay, I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna put this aside. One of my kids is wildly creative and they always go nuts for this paper. That's for them. I have everything else right here. I feel like because the tape is undisturbed on the bubble wrap around this, I feel like everything's probably here. But I'm a little surprised that they didn't seal the outside box. That seems a little weird. The first thing in here is from Holifrog. This is their Halo AHA and BHA Evening Serum. Okay, I love an exfoliating face serum. I got one last year from Herbivore, and it's been a while since I've tried anything from this brand. Oh, it's a cute little squat container. I'm curious as to what this is like. Let's see. Oh, it's very liquid. It doesn't smell like there's any fragrance in here. It's only ingredients. This is a resurfacing step in your skincare routine to help exfoliate dead skin cells as well as nourishing. It addresses uneven tone, texture, and excess sebum, fine lines, and enlarged pores. All right, I deal with enlarged pores, I deal with uneven texture, I deal with hyperpigmentation. This says this should help with all of it. I'm wondering on here if it says anything about, oh, it does. It says it's 11% AHA and BHA blend. I like knowing the percentage. This is definitely a product. If you're going to use it at night and then make sure you wear an SPF. So this would be something I will see what my skin does. I am using a different resurfacing product at the moment, but that's next in line. Ooh, look at this. I've never tried anything from Mob. This is their Repurpose Compact. Compact number 1. Is there anything in here? Let's find out. Oh no, it's just a little empty. I wonder if this means that there's something in here from Mob. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, look! All right, so this is the new holiday release from Viseart. I love their Viseart Petits. This is my favorite one. This is the Lilas Deux. Let me grab mine and I'll show it to you. So the one that comes in my lucky bag, I'm gonna keep in this container for somebody else, but this is the one that I have. This is what it looks like. I love this so much. This really has the spirit of the original Lilas palette with some added depth and a little bit of warmth. I fell in love with these Petits when they launched in 2020, and I have purchased every single one. So I got another one in this year's lucky bag, and I just got to figure out who to gift this to. The next thing in the bag is from Goss. This is his eye Kohl, and I'm not sure what shade this is. Oh, this is Crystal Merlot. I don't know, maybe I'm using Wayne's pencils the wrong way. Here it is. I'm not going to use it. This looks like a really beautiful color. I love the color. I love Wayne Goss products. but I don't actually get along with this liner. I'm looking for something that I'm gonna very easily lay a line down with. This lines beautifully, but then it's gonna set. And this always stays just a little smudgy. And I know that's what he was going for when he was creating this product, but I need something that my leaky left eye is not gonna obliterate. I need something that's not going to kind of melt in a little bit of warmth and then, you know, kind of go places. This formula is not for the way I like to wear makeup, but it glides beautifully. It's really nice. I've had one of these before, but I don't know that I'm gonna crack into this because I know it's not for me. Oh, look, there is a little something here from Mob. This is their Cream Clay Blush. Ooh, so this packaging is really interesting. It really makes me feel like they're doing a lot to make sure that they're keeping, you know, packaging recyclable and reusable, which love. Okay, so this pulls up. You've got these little guys in the back. I think we just line these up, click them in, close this down, and we have cream blush. This is a really pretty color. This is the shade M72. Ooh, I like the way it feels. Oh, that's a pretty color. Oh, I'm excited about this. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, oh, and I like the way that it closes. It's a magnetic closure. Oh, I like. I'm so happy. I got a Sonia G brush. Okay, I got my first Sonia G brush years ago in a Lucky Bag, and ever since then I have fallen head over heels. And I've spent hundreds of dollars on Sonia G brushes, but this one is beautiful. Which one is this? This is the Jumbo Worker. Oh, oh, she's so soft and pretty. It's like a little kitten's tail. It's so soft. Okay, these are probably my most favorite brushes. I like Wayne's brushes. I like rougher brushes. I have some other brushes, but the ones from Sonia G, I don't know if it's because the handles are so beautiful, or I feel like the craftsmanship is just beyond. And they're super soft and they work so well. And a big giant brush like this, I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with this, but like I could just sit here all day and do this, or just like, you know, glide it over my face. I think this Jumbo Worker is probably like an eye blending brush, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to do a little research, and I am delighted to have this. All right, the next thing in here is from Kitsch. This is their Micro Derma Roller for textured and aging skin. And I'm like, oh, okay, Beautylish. That's a little harsh, but you know what? Truthfully, I already have one of these. I got rid of, well, I had one of these. I got rid of it. I'd had it for a while. And this is a product that has these little, let me just pull it out. It comes in this little paper and plastic bag with a hard plastic container on the inside. But this roller here has a whole bunch of needles in it. And the idea is that if you roll it over your face, it makes these very small and at a very specific level of little holes in your face that will help to encourage collagen. I've heard that it works, and I've heard from other people like dermatologists, you're not actually doing enough, it's not going deep enough, you're only introducing potential for inflammation, redness, irritation, or infection. And I was like, so I don't know. I've used one before. I've never had any problems with it, but the important part is that every time you use it, it needs to be 100% sterile. You need to use it on a clean face with nothing down. So I don't know, I will proceed with caution, but if you have any experience using a derma roller at home, or if you go to the dermatologist and have them do it in the office, let me know what your results are, because I definitely feel like 48 my face is different than it was even 2 years ago. 46 was very different. I definitely feel like I'm losing collagen. I'm losing a little bit of fullness. I'm doing a lot at home with my home care, but something like this, I don't know, it might be time to find out what it might cost to get it done in office. Oh, look, I love Briogio. This is their Scalp Revival Stimulating Therapy Massager. So this is something that you can use with your shampoo, It's a little silicone massage brush. This is really great for increasing circulation. It's really great for exfoliate. Okay, I love their charcoal exfoliating shampoo that comes in the tub. So I use that once a week. And then if I could go over it with this, first of all, there is mint in there. It's always really tingly and delicious. It smells really good. The charcoal really helps to exfoliate, and there are little teeny tiny exfoliating bits. I feel like that plus this would do a great job of that, but it's also going to help bring blood to the surface and increase circulation, and it might actually just feel amazing, like a little massage for my head. So this is going in my shower. They always include something from Good Molecules. This is our Glycolic Exfoliating Toner. I think I got this last year? No, year before last. And I have used this in the past. My kids and I really like having an exfoliating product like this to use once a week. We use it to make sure that, you know, sometimes if our hair is falling over our face, I'll get either product on my forehead or oils from my hair transferring, and I can get a little bit of texture in through here. I do have texture on my chin, so once a week, not more than that in the wintertime, I'll use a product like this on a cotton round and just kind of lightly go over my face. My kids use it on their nose to make sure that they don't have any blackheads coming up. We don't use it all the time, but this is a really great and affordable product to have on hand that really helps to make sure my pores don't get too large, that we don't deal with any blackheads, that we don't deal with any texture around the perimeter of our face from product in the hair or oils from the hair that are, you know, touching the face. I like this, and I like how good it works for the price. Is this a Van Goss eyeshadow palette? It is. It's the new one in amber. Okay, I don't have this one. I have tourmaline, I have pearl, I have imperial topaz, and I have smoky, what is it? Smoky quartz. I actually really like Wayne's formula. I love the design of the palette. I like how we're getting 6 large shades. Look how pretty these are. And this is probably why they included this liner in the shade Crystal Merlot. It would probably go perfectly with this. I don't know. I might try it again. I might see if I can get a look with this, but I don't know. Maybe not the pencil, but this is super exciting to me. I love his celestial shades. I like that we have a couple of what look like satin shades, 3 mattes, and this gorgeous celestial here. This will be fun to play with. Oh my goodness, there's a Chantecaille Lip Veil in here. This is the shade Ruby. Ooh, I feel very seen and understood. Thank you so much. You know I love a red lip. Look how pretty. Ooh, how lovely. Oh, okay. Okay, she's a little pinker than I was expecting. I want to take this off and try this on. Give me a sec. It reads a little pinker than the shade name suggests. I thought when it said ruby that it would be like a red. And it's not that it's not a red. It's more of a watermelon or a raspberry red. It definitely has that pink element to it. It feels very comfortable on the lips. It's not ridiculously, you know, heavy. It looks more pink here than it does on my lips, and maybe that's because it's going over my natural lip color. But this is what it looks like built up. So this is like 2 swipes, and this is me just kind of going over it multiple times. And this is what 1 swipe looks like. I don't know. I don't know that this was the color. The name seemed like I was like, yes. And by looking at it in the packaging and here, it looks very red. But we'll see. I only have one other product from Chantecaille. I have their blur powder, and I just don't know that the price point is something that would make me want to spend this much on a lip product. And maybe this is a great way to try it, because I never would have purchased this for myself. And I'm curious to see whether this formula is amazeballs. But this is the Lip Veil, and it has organic baobab oil in it. So it's supposed to be a lightweight, comfortable lipstick. We'll see. I got something from Oribe. I normally don't open and use the Oribe products because, and I think I'll have to look at the ingredient deck. I don't use anything that has silicones in it. This is the protection spray, and I don't know what that means. Universal protection spray. Oh, but look how pretty she is. Oh, she's so extra. I love it. Let's see. It says A weightless mist that shields hair from thermal damage up to 450 degrees. If I'm in 450 degrees, we have a different problem. It protects your hair from UV rays, pollution, while imparting gentle moisture. Say goodbye to dryness, color fading, and frizz. Oh my goodness. Look how small the ingredient deck is on the bottom. There are silicones in here. There's a dimethicone in here. Ah! Oh, okay. I have naturally curly hair. It's up today, but you can see like it's pretty curly. I find that my hair does the best and stays at it's prone to being really dry, but anything with silicones in it just makes it even more difficult because it seals the cuticle and then moisture can't come out, which is good, but it also can't go in. And then my hair gets drier and drier. So I just eschew all sorts of silicones. Oh, this is sad because I know how good Oribe products smell, but I feel like the whole line has silicones in there for that really shiny, gorgeous like look. It looks like hair from a hair ad, but I can't live that dimethicone life. I don't know. I'll see if either of my kids want to use this, but it's so sad to get a product like this that I know I'm not going to use. All right, last thing in here. Oh, look, it's a little silk hair tie from Slip. Oh, how nice. I love silk scrunchies. I still have a whole bunch in here from Beauty Pie. I like that, you know, they look just like the ones from Slip, but these are so much less expensive because these guys are a pretty penny, but they only come in like 2 colors. They come in like kind of like a beigey blonde color and black. But look how cute this is. Oh, I love. All right, so yeah, I feel like this is definitely what this is based off of. But it's nice to have them. Now I'll know in my house, because all my kids have hair ties like this, that if this one's running around, we know it's mine. Oh, how nice. Actually, I'm wearing my hair tied back for work a lot more, so this is gonna get some good use. I'm gonna make sure to insert the prices in the video previously to this, like every time I pull something out telling you what the price is on the screen. But the total for all of these things is $375.25. The hardest one to decide what the price was this little guy here, because nowhere on the Beautylish website do they sell a single. They sell them in a 4-pack for $45, so that breaks down to like $11.25 for one of these. So, okay, there we go. I feel like, you know, it's not my favorite Beautylish Lucky Bag XL I've ever had. This delights my heart. This is really interesting to me. I'm excited about this. I know I'm going to use this. I'm going to get plenty of use out of, like, there's a lot of stuff here that I'm thinking about, you know. We'll use this guy here from Briogio, and the lip product here is exciting. After that, I start thinking about it. I already have the Viseart eyeshadow, and it's not that it's not a good thing, it's just not something I can use because I already got one. I know I'm not going to use the Oribe Defense. I'm a little bit concerned about this guy here, but I'll do some research. If you have any thoughts, let me know in the comment section down below. But I feel like there's enough here that's usable that it was worth my $150 purchase plus shipping and tax. Let me know, do you get the Beautylish Lucky Bag? Are you excited by things like this? This is the only like mystery box that I get. I used to get subscription boxes. I don't do that anymore. This one is still fun for me. I still like get that little kind of little kid excitement like at Christmas, like, oh, what's in the box? That's what I feel like. I'm still sitting here playing with this. But I really feel like this is one of those things that I probably will continue to do because I enjoy it. And it allows me to try products that I never would have purchased for myself. I never would have got this for myself. I probably would not have picked up this. And I've had so many people asking me if I had tried MOB Beauty, and I was like, no. So I feel like this is a great way to try things and maybe fall in love with a product that I never ever even would have considered. I would love to know, did you get the Beautylish Lucky Bag this year? Was it full of things that were exciting and useful to you, or is it more along the lines of, nope, it's too much of a gamble, I'm not interested? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Have an incredible day, and I'll see you again soon.